Hey everybody, it's me Sissy. I'm back today with a quick Halloween DIY. I'm going to show you how we take the little sugar skulls that I paint poured on, and I'm going to frame them, and we're going to use all Dollar Tree items. I'm going to come up with a finished decor piece that looks like this, ready to hang on the wall. So stay tuned to see how we do it. For this DIY, we're going to use these big silver turkey trays. That's actually what they're called, a turkey tray, from the catering section at Dollar Tree. And the sugar skull or whatever item you have to be framed. And we're going to use a piece of the Halloween decor fence. I've already cut a piece off of here, so I'm going to show you how we do that. But these are great trays. You can do so many different things. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our black frame, our tray, and we're just going to get some black paint and a paper towel, and we're just going to get a good amount of paint on there. And along this edge, we're just going to rub black paint on it. And get it on there, then we're just going to kind of go back on and just wipe it in there good. And we're going to fold over our paper towel and get a semi-clean spot, and then we're just going to wipe it back off. Just trying to get some black down into those grooves. It's got a textured edge. And just wipe it back off. And then we can just go back, dab a little on around the edges. Then we're going to take a paintbrush and we're just going to paint the center. Medallion that looks like that. To get our little sugar skull ready, I just flipped it over and I have these two water bottle caps, and I'm gluing them to the back under places where they won't be seen from the other side. That way to lift it up a little bit off the frame to give it a little bit of dimension. And how I did it was I just filled the cap up with some hot glue. just turned it over on my skull and let the glue run down into it. Okay, so we've got our plate is dry now, and we're going to take our little skull and glue it in the center. So I'm just going to put some glue on the back of the little bottle caps, and then we're going to glue her in place. Okay, and then we're going to take our little skull piece that we cut out. We're going to flip him over. Let's see, we want him to be about right here, which is his eyes. So if you'll see in the back, it's kind of recessed in here. So what I did was I just took a little piece that I had cut off and measured it. Okay. And then we're just going to glue that in there so we have something that we can glue to the edge of the tray. Get our tray. You want to glue it about right there. So we're just going to put some hot glue and then put it right on the edge. And we're just going to hold that until the glue hardens. Since we're going to be hanging these, I'm going to show you how I put a hanger on the back. I'm just going to flip it over, and then I just have a chenille stem pipe cleaner, and I'm going to make a loop and kind of twist it. We're just going to glue that to the back. Then I'm just going to take a piece of cardstock and cut a little square, a rectangle. And then I'm going to just glue that, hold that down in the hot glue. I'll just reinforce it a little bit. You could put a piece of tape over it if you wanted, just for a little added security. Okay, now I'm going to take my little hangings and put them on the wall, and we're going to take a look at them. Okay, y'all, so that's it for our spooky Halloween sugar skulls. So hopefully I'll be back with another quick little Halloween DIY, and then I'll be moving on to Thanksgiving. Remember, if Sissy can do it, y'all can do it too. Get out there and have some fun. Bye, y'all.